Typhoon batters South Korea with 3 feet of rain and damaging winds. The most powerful typhoon to hit South Korea in years battered its southern region on Tuesday, dumping water, 3 feet of rain, and destroying roads and felling power lines, leaving 66,000 homes without electricity as thousands of people fled to safer ground. The storm flooded buildings and eroded bridges and roads. Firefighters and troops conducted rescue operations using boats and tanks. In North Korea, state media reported all-out efforts to minimize damage from flooding and landslides. The state Korean Central News Agency reported that leader Kim Jong Un had issued, quote, detailed tasks at government meetings to improve the country's disaster response capacity, but didn't elaborate on the plans.